Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the planet Earth and what makes it habitable. For life on Earth, we need food from our plants, which requires soil, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. We also need water, oxygen, and an atmosphere and protection from the sun's rays and solar winds. Mass and temperature are why we have an atmosphere. Mass gives gravitational pull on gas molecules, and the planet temperature, gives molecules a higher speed to escape. Our atmosphere gives us oxygen to breathe and allows us to put out carbon dioxide for plants. The atmosphere also protects us from the sun's rays. The magnetic field is also another reason why we have life on Earth. It protects our planet from solar winds. It also helps us keep the atmosphere, which the atmosphere helps protect the Earth from solar bodies like comets and asteroids. Plate tectonics are also another reason we have life on Earth. The cooling, the sinking, and the rising, which are the convection currents in the mantle, help keep the magnetic field strong. The sun also helps us to be habitable here on Earth. We aren't too close and we aren't too far from the sun. We're just right. We're close enough to be warm. And the sun also provides us with water in liquid form so we can drink it. It provides sunlight for our plants that we eat. If we were closer to the sun, water would evaporate, and if we were further, the atmosphere would freeze. And those are the 3 reasons that we are able to live on Earth.